Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DOFE app. First, download the official DOFE app from your phone's App Store, available for both Apple and Android devices. Once installed, log in using your existing DOFE username and password. Your username is typically your first and last name, and the initial password is often your date of birth in 8 digits. After logging in, you will see your personalized dashboard, allowing you to view your progress across all award sections. To record your progress, simply select one of the 4 DOFE sections, such as physical or skills, from your app's main menu. You will then enter the specific activity you are undertaking, along with important details like start dates, planned duration, and a clear goal. Remember to regularly upload evidence, which can be photos or written logs, to document your participation and achievements for each activity. After consistently logging your activities, it's crucial to ensure all entries have supporting evidence. This could be a collection of photos or detailed text logs. Next, your assessor, who cannot be a family member, needs to submit their report. They can do this directly online or by completing a report card that you then upload. You can track the approval status of each section within the app, awaiting your DOFE leader's sign-off. Once you have completed all required hours and uploaded evidence for each section, review everything carefully to ensure it meets the award criteria. Your DOFE leader will then approve your completed sections directly through the app. After all sections are signed off, your award will be verified, and you will receive your certificate and badge. Congratulations on achieving your Duke of Edinburgh's award.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.